To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. Our most esteemed school division superintendent, Ma'am Nini R. Morales. ISO 5, Public School District Supervisor Sir Glenn C. Almodal. Dynamic School Principal Sir Nicanor M. Rehoso Jr. PTA President Mrs. Josie E. Merello and other PTA officers, barangay officials, parents, fellow teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all. I take great pleasure in welcoming you all in this very important occasion. It is gratifying to me to be able to welcome the success we are celebrating today. Moving up, recognition and graduation rights class of 2022. I very much hope that today's event will consider a success are the first step in achieving greater success in the future. I am filled with excitement and anticipation as the next stage in our lives is about to begin. Recognize that this is also the time for giving thanks to those who have helped us reach this milestone in our academic career. In my behalf, I am pleased to thank our families and friends, our dear teachers. Without your support, we may not have made it to this day. Our success or your success, throughout all of these goodbyes. Although throughout all of these goodbyes, our good in a sense. And all along the way, we believe faithfully that God will walk with us and provide even more opportunities to know, learn, love, and serve. So, to everyone, let us celebrate. Let us celebrate this day with rejoicing and thanksgiving. Thank you once again, and overwhelmed afternoon to all of us.